This interview is being recorded and may be given in evidence at a later date. We are in interview room 3 at Beltonfield Police Station. The date is the 23rd of October 2019 and the time is 15:34. I am DS Kelly Pritchard. Please state your full name and date of birth.
Paul Stevenson, 5th of July 1979.
Juliet Arnott, 13th of the 2nd, 1988.
Mrs. Arnott, what is your connection to Jamie Phelps?
I'm Jamie's PA. We've been working together for 7 years. I moved with him when he left KPL and started up on his own.
What is your relationship to Jamie Phelps?
He's my brother. Look, is this going to take long?
It'll take as long as it takes, I'm afraid. But you're here of your own free will. You may leave at any time.
Fine, all right. It's just look, I've got work to do. Look, I'm only here because Lucy's... Fine, good. Carry on.
I'll cut to the chase then, Mr. Stevenson. According to Lucy Phelps, your sister-in-law, there is £15,000 missing from one of her and her husband's accounts. Money paid to you by your brother. Now help me out here. You appear to be a wealthy man. Why was Mr. Phelps paying you all that money?
Jamie's such a wuss. He should have told her.
Told her what?
It was an investment. We invested in a new cryptocurrency called WOC. Really exciting stuff. You get a better deal the more coins you buy, so we went in together. He sent me the money, I bought us 2,000 WOC coins.
WOC, wasn't that in the news recently?
Yeah, it's all folded, real shame. The blockchain got hacked. But look, that's the deal, that's the risk. You've got to be in it to win it. But you don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Could Jamie afford to lose 15 grand?
Well, as it turns out, no. Idiot. But I only found that out this morning.
He's a lovely, lovely man, you know. Head screwed on, heart in the right place. And his wee boy. Did you say he was found by the side of the road? It never occurred to me that Pip was in the car. I don't know how he's gotten himself into such a pickle. I know no one's saying it, but you must think he's done away with himself. That's what blokes do when they have money trouble, isn't it? But it's not him, he wouldn't. I mean, this morning he was stressed, but he had a plan, he was engaged. I could tell.
A plan for what, do you think?
To deal with the ransomware.
What ransomware?
That's why I'm here, isn't it?
Hit me.
Right. So, the company's files were taken ransom with this computer virus malware last night. It's pretty simple. The files are stolen and held until a ransom is paid. In this case, £25,000. The threat is to usually either delete them or publish them online. But according to Mrs. Arnott, the threat was to publish. They've got some pretty high-profile clients, so privacy is important.
And people pay these things?
Oh yeah, happens all the time. They're smart enough to ask for the amounts of money that people might be able to scrape together.
Who is they?
Cyber criminals. Anyone, anywhere in the world, even some kid in California in his bedroom.
And Jamie got one of these last night?
Well, it happened last night, but he only realised this morning.
He called me from the car, said we'd been hacked and he was on his way in. They'd sent emails to his personal account and the company's.
And how did he seem on the phone?
A bit shaky, shocked. I shouldn't have told you. He made me promise to keep it a secret. I know it's a lot of money, but I dare say he's got savings and investments. The thing is, if the files were released, it's not only his career that would be destroyed, some of our clients, you know.
She wouldn't talk after that. I think it suddenly occurred to her that she might be about to lose her job.
Okay, so the brother confirmed to me that he spoke to Jamie this morning. Apparently Jamie called him asking for a loan, but reading between the lines, there's not a lot of brotherly love going on there, and Paul, charmer that he is, said no.
Nice. So, he's broke, he's lost all of his savings, his business is being blackmailed. His brother...
Financial advisor of the year, by the way.
Won't bail him out. So the next person, last person he speaks to is... Okay. Cheers. Send him up. We've only got celebrity chef Arthur Montgomery here. Listen, before we get started, can I ask him a super quick question about his baba ganoush recipe?
No, not a good idea.